Well, good hump day to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a showing off good Wednesday. But I'm here to tell you, over here in East Central Mississippi, it's about 90 degrees. Humidity's starting to climb, but it's still showing off nice to be outside. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is, yesterday, which was Tuesday, Skyla and I got out there in that pea patch and we ran a couple of more lines of peas and some bud beans. That's what we did, because we're expecting a showing off good rain either today or tomorrow, hopefully. Now give me a second, and that's what I'm finna shows you. All right, today's Tuesday, June 16th. Thursday, we're supposed to get a good rain, or maybe not a good rain, but we're supposed to get some rain. So what we're gonna try to do today is plant us out another row of purple hull peas and also get a couple of rows of butter beans in. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna take you along on how we load this planter up, and we're just gonna run it and see what happens. So we got some purple hull peas. We got the pea plate in. We're gonna dump the purple hull peas in. We got some triple 13 in the hopper. I'm just going to break this loose with a box cutter, and then we're going to see if we can't run us another row of purple hull peas. So that's what we'll be doing today. This thing will hold a 50-pound bag of fertilizer. I doubt we're going to use all of it, but we're just going to rock on with it and see what happens. Some bud beans in this Mississippi heat. have it. That's what we've been doing over here in East Central Mississippi. Trying to get some more peas and bud beans out so we could catch the good rain that falls from the sky and hopefully waters everything. But we'll see how it goes. Who knows? So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good hump day, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis still going on in our world. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like trying to plant out more peas and bud beans. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan, reference sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.